Hello everyone. Welcome to the 8th video of Azure AI Fundamentals Certification course. In the previous video, we discussed about document intelligence and Azure AI Search Service. In this video, we'll be discussing about responsible principles of AI. Responsible AI is Microsoft's approach to ensure that AI services are safe for humans to use. The concept for the video is inspired from the AI-102 certification training I attended. I'll provide the link to that training in the description box below. Without much further introduction, let's get into the video. The 6 responsible AI principles of Microsoft are fairness, reliability and safety, privacy and security, inclusiveness, transparency, and accountability. We'll be discussing each of these principles in detail and we'll see a real life scenario where each of these principles takes effect. So the first one is fairness. AI systems should treat everyone fairly and avoid affecting similarly situated groups of people in different ways. Now, it means that an AI system should treat all the people equally. It should not be biased to a particular group of people. The outcome of an AI system should be unbiased. For example, take the scenario of a loan application or a job application. An AI system is asked to approve or reject this loan application. So it should treat all the people equally and with same fairness. It should treat all the race, gender, age group equally. It shouldn't give weightage to a particular group of people. That is what is fairness. Everyone should be treated equally and fairly. Now, the next principle is inclusiveness. This means AI system should be accessible to all users, including those with disabilities. For example, in the case of immersive reader. So what immersive reader does is it will read a written text loud. So a visually impaired user who is not able to read the text can hear and understand what is written. Then another is speech to text feature. So a person with hearing disability can read the text if the speech is converted to text. So that is what is inclusiveness. Everyone should be considered in an AI solution. For example, AI-powered chatbots should support multiple languages and also text to speech for visually impaired users. Now, the next principle is transparency. AI decisions should be explainable and understandable. It should be clear to everyone what are the steps followed by AI to reach particular decision. For example, loan approval, loan rejection. So everyone should be able to understand clearly all the steps followed by AI to reach that output. So that is what is transparency. How AI system works. It should be more transparent and understandable. Provide documentation to help developers debug code. That is another scenario. When you design an AI system to access whether loans should be approved, the factors used to make the decision should be explainable. That is what is transparency principle of responsible AI is. Now next is privacy and security. So for training an AI model, we are providing with our own data. So these data should be protected. It should not be available publicly. So that is what this principle is about. Protecting privacy and securing personal and business information. Restrict access to resources and operations by user account or group. Encrypt the data, scan for vulnerabilities, and provide consumers with information and controls over the collection, use and storage of their data. That is privacy and security. Now the next principle is accountability. Someone should be held responsible for this AI system. What the AI system is doing. The people who designed and deployed the AI system must be accountable for the operations of that AI system. Organizations must take responsibility for their AI models, and also humans must be able to override the decisions made by AI system if such a scenario happens. So now that is accountability. Now there is reliability and safety. AI systems must work as intended and be resilient to failures. It should be able to operate as they were originally designed. respond safely to unanticipated conditions, and resist harmful manipulation. So in the case of jailbreak, the user is asking the AI model some crooked question, or it is asking the AI model to provide secure data, or it is manipulating the AI model. So the AI model should be able to withstand those circumstances. That is what is reliability and safety is about. The handling of unusual or missing values present in the AI system. In the case of a self-driving car, Microsoft reliability and safety principle ensures that the system operates consistently even in unexpected situation. So the model should be able to work in a proper manner even in unexpected situation. That is reliability and safety. Now we have seen 6 responsible AI principles of Microsoft. So one is fairness, where everyone should be treated equally. Then there is reliability and safety. In unexpected situation, the model should be able to handle that situation, and the model should be resilient. Then there is privacy and security regarding the user data. It should be well encrypted and the user should know what the model is doing with the data. Then there is inclusiveness. Everyone should be included in the AI solution. Visually impaired people, hearing impaired people, multi-language systems, everything comes in inclusiveness. Then there is transparency. What are the steps or algorithms followed by the model to reach a conclusion or to give that output? For approving and rejecting a loan application, it should be transparent to the user that what are the steps followed by the model to reach that conclusion. Then there is accountability. Someone should be accountable for the behavior of AI, and humans should be able to overrun the decisions made by AI models. Now let us see how much do we know about the responsible AI principles. So here in this slide, there are certain scenarios. Pause the video and figure out which responsible AI principle applies in each of the scenarios and come back. So the first one is the system must not discriminate based on gender and race. So that is fairness. Everyone should be treated equally. There should not be any bias based on gender, race, age group, etc. That is the fairness principle. Now, personal data must be visible only to approve. So, a visibility to our data. That comes in privacy and security principle. Now, automated decision-making processes must be recorded so that approved users can identify why a decision was made, like loan approval or loan rejection. So the users can identify why a decision was made, the steps involving that decision. That comes under transparency. AI systems should not reflect biases from the data sets that are used to train the systems. So bias comes under fairness. When you design an AI system to assess whether loans should be approved, the factors used to make the decision should be explainable. Again, we know that is transparency. Implementing processes to ensure that decisions made by AI system can be overridden by humans. So the principle in play is accountability. Provide consumers with information and controls over the collection, use and storage of their data. How a customer's data is being used. So that is privacy and security. Designing an AI system that empowers everyone, including people who have hearing, visual and other impairments. Everyone is included in the AI solution. So that is inclusiveness principle. Now, these are certain real case scenarios where responsible AI principles are applied. We have seen 6 responsible AI principles of Microsoft and scenarios in which each of these principles are applicable. Now, in the next video, we'll discuss about generative AI services offered by Azure. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next.